Welcome back, y'all. Today we're giving our natural hair a break and we're doing a glueless install. I want to thank Ashimary Hair for sending me this beautiful glueless unit, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I installed it. And we're going to start with a quick unboxing because they really did their big one. So we have a wide tooth comb, a pretty satin bonnet, which I'm going to put on right now. And this is a first. They sent me a satin robe with their logo on it. This was cute. Next we have a new cap, of course, and some cluster lashes. I'm definitely going to be wearing these. An elastic band with the soft ear cushions, an edge brush, and some gold and black Barbie pins. And here's the 13x6 full lace glueless wig. It already comes with the C-part and it's pre-curled. It also has the adjustable elastic band. It's pre-taped on both sides of the lace. It has one comb in the back and two combs on each side in the inside of the wig. So first I'm going to cut a little bit of the lace in the front because I don't like it to look so neat. I like the jagged edge look. You really don't need to do this. This is just my preference. So I slicked my hair back and braided it into two cornrows, and right here I'm just putting on my wig grip. This helps for my wig not to slip. And I forgot to mention that this wig has an additional drawstring. This really helps secure it to your head. Now it's time to put it on, and I'm just going to adjust it to my head before I secure it with the tape. Once I have the wig where I want it, I just take the little cover off the tape, pull the lace kind of tight, and press it in place. And be sure to make that all of your edges is brushed back so you don't tape those as well. Right here I'm just tightening my drawstring, and just look how well it blends. And y'all, we're literally almost done. We're just going to do a few finishing touches, nothing too major. Since the wig is already curled, I don't have to do too much curling. This is going to be my quickest install ever. So this wig already comes with this baby hair as well. They literally already thought of everything, but I'm just going to lay it a bit using some edge control. And I decided to leave this sideburn kind of long. Let me know what y'all think. So once I'm done with my edges, I also like to spray a little Gossipy glue on my edge brush and brush the edges of my wig back. And then I just put on my elastic band while I hot comb my roots and make a few adjustments. And of course, I'm using my favorite Kimber finishing spray to hold everything in place. Y'all, I live by this stuff. Now it's time to remove my elastic band, and I'm just loving how everything is stuck in place. But I need to fluff my baby hair out a bit more. My little swoop or whatever. I can tell the hot comb got real hot right here, but anything for a flat lace, this lace is very much laid. Okay, Ashimary, y'all really ate this C-part look, but now it's time to see what the middle part is giving. Of course, we got to make the baby hair even, so I'm just creating baby hair on the opposite side. Being sure not to make it look thick because it's real easy to make these lace front baby hairs look real thick and bulky. And it really do be looking crazy, so we're going to try not to do the most with these baby hairs this time. Alright, so it's time to lay this baby hair, and as you can see, it's not too bulky. And for the edge control, I always like to use Ebon edge control because it works pretty good for me, and it doesn't leave like a white residue or anything, at least in my opinion. So right here, I'm just hot combing the roots to kind of flatten out that permanent C part. Alright, you guys, this is the final look, and it turned out really cute, full, and fluffy. Again, this is Ashimary Hair's 13x6 full lace C-part glueless wig. All of the details for this wig will be listed in my description. But this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.